Hey everyone, welcome back to Ontario Gardening. We're doing our seed saving series. This year we are doing a different vegetable every day as opposed to a different flower. And today we are tackling beans. So this goes the same method for vine beans or pole beans, doesn't matter. We are going to start this process a little bit earlier than other things. So for the most part, most other vegetables you are leaving them on the vine until absolutely ripe. We're basically doing the same thing here, except for we're not looking for ripe, we're actually looking for already dead. So basically, you are going to wait until the last round of beans are on your bushes or your vines closer to the end of your season. So we're almost September now. So I've left these beans on here to essentially start drying themselves out. So if you look here, this would be like the first, basically these are good beans to pull off. Then this would be your next step. They start to get kind of leathery. This one would be your third step where it's pretty much almost done, but it still's got a little moisture left to it. And then down here, these are ready to go. These are completely dried. Now you're gonna pull them off and we're gonna let them dry on the counter or wherever for about another week. You're looking for almost crumbling, like paper, just crumbling in your hand. You don't want to feel any moisture whatsoever. I will take you inside and show you what that looks like. Okay, so here is our dry pod. As you can hear, it is hollow, it is crunchy, and inside is where you're going to find those seeds. The seed itself is dry, everything is dry and ready for next year to plant. This is the hardest seed in my opinion to save, only because, it's not the hardest, but it's just a pain because you literally have to sit there and open pod after pod. I've literally gone in with like an entire bushel full of dry pods before and had to open one hand by hand. It's a lot, but that's saving bean seeds.